Good afternoon, my dear student. As you know that last day we completed few portions from the mental maths, and now today again we return back into our own main math books. So today we're going to start that about the chapter 2 about the patterns in number. Now what is the patterns in number? Generally when you feel bored to doing lots of calculation after again and again doing multiplication, division, addition, feeling bored. Now we should need some relaxation. So that time you can use the pattern by which way you can see what's. That here is the 1 multiply 9. Now how much? 1 9 9 1 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Complete. See this one. 12 9 is how much? 12 9 is 12 9 is the 1. How much? Is being 100. It means 8. So 108 plus 3. It means how much? 108 plus 3 111. Okay, you can see next one 104 1. You can see 5 1. Okay, here also 6 1. Here also 7 1. So how much fast is being occurring? That is called the pattern. Now in this chapter we have to solve this type math. Very interesting. You can see nicely this one. So see in your book that few math already completed. It's given. Now today we start from number 5. See number 5 is already given. Then up to number 3 4. Now it's given 9 multiply 444,444. Now how much is that? So 3 9 9 9 9 6. Now again if you see it's given 9 multiply 44,44,444. Now what happened? So it means 1 is convert 3,999,000. That 996. So by this way, now see the number 6 1. Number 6 is given. Number 6 is given 37 multiply 33 equal to 37 multiply 333. 37 equal to 3,333. 37 equal to 33,333. 37 equal to 33,333. Okay, sorry. 3,033. Okay, this is the 3 lakh. 3,33,333. Now here you have to calculate it. See if you calculate this one, you get 1,121. Okay, sorry, 1,221. Now the second one, what it happened? That 12,321. Now go for the next 123,321. Again for the next 1,233,321. Again the 12,333,321. So by this way you can solve in the patterns. Now see number 7 is given. That is a very nice math in number 7. That number 7 is given. Carry on till the 9th number and the sentence in this pattern. So 15,873 multiply 7. 15,000 then 800. You may change this one in your book also given wrong. Just kindly change it. It's a 873, not 75. 873 multiply 14. So what is the next one? 15,873 multiply 21. 15,873 multiply 28. 15,873 multiply 35. 15,873 multiply 42. Then 15,873 multiply 49. 15,873 multiply 56. Okay, and 15,873 multiply 63. So now we have to multiply. Fast is given 1 1 1, then 1 1 1. Second is the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now see third one, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Okay. By this way, you see the pattern number, how much fast we can able to do it. Okay. So this is very easy. So how much fast you can complete this one. And this type map, you without calculation, you can solve also. So by this way, you can complete it. Now see the next one is a very interesting next one. You have to find. So you have to write down this is the numbers. You have to be right. Now see the next portion is given. The study these patterns carefully and discover the patterns of numbers. So we need the mode place. So erase this one. That from the first you have to start that 8, 1, 8A is given, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, 14, 15. Okay, now the next numbers are given. So here you see what the next number after 15. How we find out this one? So if the process is there, what is the process? You see, first 2 and 3 is the two consecutive number back to back, 2 and 3. Then again from 3 it plus 3, then it becomes 6. Okay, again you see 6 and 7 two consecutive number, again it add 3, then it become 10. From 10 and 11 it's also two consecutive number, again plus 3, so it being 14. Now 14, 15 two consecutive number, so you add 3. Now how much? It's being 18. Now 18 and 19 two consecutive numbers. Now 19 plus 3 how much? 22. And 23 is a two consecutive number. Again 23 plus 3 it being 26. So by this way it being going on. So is the process that have to be followed. Now see the second one, number B. 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now later it's given. Now you have to find out the others number. Now how you find out this is the other number? You can see here. Here is the 4, 5, 6, 7 is the 4 consecutive number. Okay. After that is 12. So 12 minus 7 how much? Is a 5. So you add here plus 5. Now it became 12. Again you see 12, 13, 14, 15. Again 4 consecutive number. Again plus 5. Then 20. Again 20, 21, 22, 23. Two consecutive numbers all. Then add 5, so it became 28. So 29, 30. Now see 30, 31 plus 5, so it being 36. Again 37, 38, 39. So it's 4 consecutive number. Then again is the 4 consecutive, so 44. So by this way you have to be followed. This one plus 5. After 4 consecutive digits you have to add 5. Now number C, 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26. Now see the others. Here is a 8, 9, 10, then 16, 17, 18, 24, 25, 26. So how can you understand that this number? So here you see 8, 9, 10 is in the consecutive numbers. Okay, 3 consecutive numbers. Again 16 and 10. How much the difference? 16 and 10. So this one is the difference is 6. 16, 17, 18. Again 3 consecutive number. Again 18 plus 6. How much? It will be 24. Now 24, 25, 26. Again we have to add 6. So 26 plus 6 it will be 32. So 32, 33, 34. Again plus 6. So it will be 40. Now 40, 40, 41, 42 plus 6. 48. So by this way you have to be followed it. Now the next is that number D. Number D is given 1, 2, 3, 1 dot semicolon, 2, 3, 6 dot. Now 3, 4, 9. Okay. Now what is the next number? So here is the 1, 2, 3. You see 2 digit first is taken. Then after that 3. Again the 2 digit. Again the 2 digits. Here is also 1 is left now. 2, 3. Then again is the 3 to just 6. It's 6 become. Again the next 2 digit it will take 3, 4. Now it becomes 3, 3 9. So what is the next one? So we take the 3 left now. 4, 5. and 12. Okay, now again is a 5, 6 and 15. Now again 6, 7, it's a 18. So by this way you have to be followed it. So this one by this way. Now we have to go for the next math. Is the number 9. See, number 9 is given. Here also the multiplication is given. 3 multiply 37,037 equal to 111,111. Number 2, 6 multiply 37,037 is a 2, 2, 2. Now C number 9 multiply 37,037. So on 3,33,333. Now number D is 12 multiply 37,037. So here is a 4,44,444. You have to follow the pattern. Number E 15 multiply 37,037 is a 5,55,555. So by this way you have to be followed this one. Just like the same way you have to be followed it. Now see the next one. Number 10. See the number 10 math. Discover the pattern and write the next 3 numbers. So what is given? 10, 20, 40, 70, 110. Now you have to write the pattern. How do you understand this pattern? You see here. 10, again plus 10. First digit. 20 plus 20. Then 40. Now 40 plus 30 it being 70. Now 70 plus 40 being 110. Now 110 plus 50, how much? 160. 160 plus 60, how much? 160 plus 60 is a 220. Now 220 plus 70, so 290. So by this way, you have to be right. Now the next is number 11. That is the numbers are given. The 2 number we have to do it at last. That 1, number F, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 equal to is the 7 square also you can write, or the 7 consecutive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If the 7 consecutive number if we add, then you get 7 square. 7 square means you have to understand 7 square means 7 into 7. So it means 49. Number G also by the same way. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. So it's an 8 consecutive number. So 8 square. 8 square means 8 8 just 64. So by this way you have to be right. When the 8 consecutive number we add together, then we get the 8 square. So 8 square means 8 multiply 8. So it's the 64. Now so the last one, number 12 also by this way only. That 1 1 1 1 1 1 multiply 6 1. Here also 6 1 you have to be multiplied equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 5 4 3 2 1. Again number next number G also. This one number F, 12F, number G 1 3 7 1 3 4 5 6 7 7 1 you have to write. 7 1 multiply with the 7 1 only. 3 4 5 6 7. Now what is the answer? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Again 6 5 4 3 2 1. So by this way you have to be completed. Okay. Today I have to share. Next day I hope you have to understand it. And you have to hear. Next day we solve the other chapter. Okay. Thank you.